When comparing Freshdesk versus LiveAgent, it's crucial to consider what you actually need from your help desk software. These tools are popular, but which one really takes the crown? Stick around till the end, because I'll not only dive deep into the strengths and weaknesses of both, but I'll also share a better alternative that you might want to try out instead. Let's start with Freshdesk. Freshdesk is known for its intuitive user interface and versatility. It offers ticket management, a built-in knowledge base, and automation tools that can handle repetitive tasks. The platform also integrates well with other software, including CRM systems, email, and social media, which is a major plus. However, there's a significant drawback. While the free version is quite functional, the advanced features are locked behind the paid plans, which might feel a bit restrictive if you're running a small team or are just starting out. Additionally, some users have mentioned that Freshdesk's mobile app could use some improvements, especially for those on the go. Next thing to consider is LiveAgent. LiveAgent also provides a clean and user-friendly interface. It has excellent ticketing capabilities, which many users find simple yet effective. What stands out here is its multi-channel support. You can handle emails, live chat, social media interactions, and even phone calls from a single interface. This makes it an attractive option for businesses that need to offer support across different channels. But there's a catch. While its feature set is solid, some users report that LiveAgent can feel a little overwhelming due to the number of options and customization settings available. It can be a bit of a learning curve for those unfamiliar with help desk software. And while it's affordable, like Freshdesk, the more advanced features are locked behind paid plans. The fourth thing to note is performance. When it comes to speed and responsiveness, both platforms generally perform well. However, some users have noted that Freshdesk can experience slowdowns as your team grows or as you handle larger volumes of tickets. LiveAgent, on the other hand, tends to be a bit more consistent in performance across different business sizes. Next, let's talk about integrations. Freshdesk has a solid offering with numerous apps and integrations available to streamline your support process. But it's worth mentioning that some users have had trouble with specific integrations that don't work as smoothly as they'd like. LiveAgent also offers a wide variety of integrations, particularly with e-commerce platforms, which is a big selling point for businesses in that space. Lastly, customer support. Freshdesk has a great reputation for its support, offering 24/7 assistance, which can be a real lifesaver during peak times. LiveAgent also offers good support, but has a slightly more limited response time for lower tier plans. Freshdesk does seem to have a slight edge in terms of overall support quality and availability. Now, to wrap this up, both Freshdesk and LiveAgent are solid choices depending on what you're looking for. Freshdesk is great if you're after an intuitive, easy-to-use platform with strong integrations and support. LiveAgent is fantastic if you're handling multi-channel support and need something that integrates well with e-commerce tools. However, after trying both of these myself, I'd suggest considering an even better alternative that might suit your business needs more effectively. If you're looking for an all-in-one help desk solution with an even smoother experience, check out the link in the description. Through our exclusive link, you'll get access to the best free trial and benefits, which are only available for our viewers. This alternative might just be the perfect fit for you, with fewer limitations and more flexibility than either Freshdesk or LiveAgent. Give it a try and let me know what you think.